What's up, guys? This is the new video, and you know what's up, guys. Gonna be looking at US30, the Dow. Alright, so guys, you know what we do, man. So I won't waste your time. What we always do, man, we go to the highest time frame to try to get the whole picture of what's popping to the market. So guys, if you're new here, please like and subscribe, and yeah, and that's what's up. Okay, so that's what we do, guys. Go to the highest time frame, and then let me just remove. I was a bit practicing now. So that's what we do, man. Highest time frame, and then we check out what's popping. All right, so obviously, like I've been telling you guys with NAS 100 as well, that we are switching directions, man. The recession, the biggest market crash of our generation. Nah, bro. Now this year. Okay, so let's just get into it, man. Then put those levels. Alright, so yeah. So yeah, it's almost similar to NAS 100, guys. You know, like this trend line, you know, right here. Okay, like if you check our video on NAS 100, I speak about the same thing. Like our next mission here is like to reach this trend line, to test it, because that's what we do, right? Those touches, they matter. So that's what we have to do now. You have to at least touch it. So meaning, you see, by touching it, it means we are entering a new territory now. Meaning we're gonna be entering this level around 32,000. All right, so the 2,000 and 33,000. All right, so that's what 32,600. Yeah, that's the level gonna be, like the territory gonna be invading when we're about to touch this level. So already we are nearby this one, which is 32,000 exactly, and 32,500. So meaning for this coming week, we're gonna enter the zone 32,000 and 32,500. So that's the zone we're gonna be entering for this coming week. All right. So now let's look for this to be more precise, because obviously you gotta get more precise than that. All right. So okay. And we had this one here, and what did we do? We broke it for this past week, and I did say we're gonna do that, and then we did it, guys. We broke the structure. Why? Come on, like, guys, the no-brainer strategy. It's a downtrend, and then what happened? We had this Dow bottom structure like here, and come on, a Dow bottom, it's an upwards movement pattern, and then when it forms on a downtrend, it means we are likely to reverse trends. All right, so, and here it is at the bottom of a downtrend, so obviously we have to reverse that whole trend from here. All right, so the more we do that, the more we're gonna be able to reverse the whole thing. All right, so but the problem with this is that we haven't yet tested our trend line after breaking it. Obviously we can't just go just like that. Like it doesn't happen like that, guys. We have to come back and retest the level. Okay, like it's simple as that. We have to come back and retest this level, or maybe the trend line, because specifically the main guy is the trend line. We have to retest him. All right, like if you've been paying to how the market's been moving, like from NAS 100 and US30, we've been very respectful to levels, like very respectful, you know, like we don't having those super awesome move. Once we have it, we're gonna have a super opposite of it in a few time. All right, so that's just that, guys. We respect levels. The market respect levels so much, so that's what we're gonna expect to happen, because Remember, guys, the no-brainer strategy. It's simple. This is a double bottom structure like here. So what we do, we break it in half. We break it in half from where the market began. We break it in half. Alright. Remember what I will show you guys, the no-brainer strategy, man. If you don't know it, go check out our previous video about it. Because they are like where I speak about the no-brainer, like, so go check them out, man. Alright, because this is very powerful, because I discovered the no-brainer strategy using indices, because it works best on indices. Also works on currency pairs, but on indices it's almost 100% accurate. Alright, so that's why, like, indices are the thing, guys. Indices are the thing, especially NAS 100 and US30. Alright, so it's as simple as that. Like, we do that, just that, guys. Like, not too much of work. Like, just break it in half. Obviously you have to come back and retest, and then you replicate what happened that side. Okay, this whole movement, you replicate it right back to retest, give you a big, and then same thing. Alright, left hand side, right hand side, you just replicate what went down from that side to this side. It's that simple, guys. Not too much of work. Alright, so that's what we do as the no-brainer traders, man. We do just that. We take what went down at this side to that side. Okay, so like there's really ain't much to talk about, guys. Like, there's really ain't much, because the market is that simple and clear. Like, to be honest, simple and clear. Alright, so I say maybe we cater for, but I don't see a chance like for the market to just go that crazy, man, because we're switching directions, guys. We just have to. The market is switching directions. Alright, this is what's gonna happen for this coming weeks, maybe months. Okay, like the US30 is also gonna be doing this, but obviously it's not gonna like be as solid as I've put it, as so perfect. No, it can't, it won't. Alright, so if we dive deep into it, obviously you have to try to find those movements, try to make sense out of them. Alright, like, it makes sense of everything, man. It's gotta make sense. If it doesn't, then your analysis is incorrect. If you break here, we know, like, it's gonna test it on the above. And like, it happened, like, I don't know where I did like make those analysis and then say it's gonna break like the upper trend line, and then it's gonna test it, it's gonna pull back to it and then go up, and it happened. I don't know if it's Nasdaq or it's US30, I don't remember very well, but yeah, it did happen. So might do something like this, and but remember, we have to come back and retest this trend line. We can't just abandon it just like that. Like, it's not the nature of the market, guys. We have to be like, that's what we always do, always come back to retest. Alright, so yeah, cater for retest, man. Like, you always cater for retest when you are looking for that switch of direction, maybe willing to hold for weeks. Always cater for like those retracement, like pullbacks, because they always happen, they always okay, guys. Alright, so always cater for them. Alright, so guys, I'm not gonna waste your time, man. Like, honestly, not gonna waste it, because this is so simple. It's a no-brainer. Alright, it's a no-brainer. I have to come back and retest, and then obviously that's that. Alright, yeah. Okay, so the market's that simple, guys. It's gonna happen like that. Have to come back and retest and then go up, because it's a no-brainer strategy, guys. And thank you, man, for sticking up with us. And if you find this video informative, please like and subscribe because it really helps. And yeah, thank you guys. Peace.